2019 Fiat 500X Lounge, 2019 Fiat 500X Abarth, 2019 Fiat 500X Facelift, Fiat 500X 2019 Usita, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Fiat brand. The title of an article we take is 2019 Fiat 500X Lounge, 2019 Fiat 500X Abarth, 2019 Fiat 500X Facelift, Fiat 500X 2019 Usita, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Fiat 500X Lounge, 2019 Fiat 500X Abarth, 2019 Fiat 500X Facelift, Fiat 500X 2019 Usita, new cars by. After redesigning its older model 500L, Fiat also unveiled and updated its youngest sibling. Fiat 500X is on sale for around 3 years. So, there is no need for classical redesigns of 2019 Fiat 500X. It will return in urban and cross variants. The Italian carmaker is going to add more features into both of them for 2019 season. Purchasers will select in between two brand new colors of the exterior. Significant changes we will see in the crossover's cabin. News for 2019 includes the latest TomTom 3D navigation and updates of video cameras. 2019 Fiat 500X interior and exterior. Significant changes for the 2019 Fiat 500X exterior include new colors. In 2018, the company included Donatello Bronze and Alpi Matte Green paint tasks. For next upgrade, the 2019 500X SUV will include 2 more. The crossover will get a brand new generation of Uconnect multimedia services. Among the highlights will be a 7-inch touchscreen display. In addition, the system has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay services. This will streamline integration and connection of smartphones. In addition, Bluetooth, auxiliary and USB connections, along with voice commands are available. 2019 Fiat 500X specs. The 2019 Fiat 500X will utilize again a 1.4-liter 4-cylinder engine as its main powertrain. This engine is good for 160 HP and 185 lb-ft of torque. The 2019 500X crossover will keep pretty high mileage. Highway range will be 35 mpg. The second alternative will return around 30 mpg on highways and 26 combined. It is a 2.4L inline-four. It uses more power, 180 horses, however less torque, 170 lb-ft. A 6-speed transmission is standard for an entry-level crossover. The other one is utilizing a 9-speed transmission. 2019 Fiat 500X price and release date. The 2019 Fiat 500X is going to keep the rates of its predecessors. That implies we will purchase a crossover for $21,000. Nevertheless, lots of specialists find this quite pricey for a vehicle that lacks a great deal of devices. For example, even the new Fiat 500X is not going to provide Bluetooth connectivity. Some other services are available for higher-end models, while rivals, such as Mazda CX-5 or Buick Encore, are providing these in base trims. Thanks.